There's a bebop too. Keep putting in the breeze. Crazy transmitter range. Wait, anyway, this is the FPV version. Look at that thing handling. It's not bad. He stays in the GPS. He do his job. See over here, it's pretty much crazy. Look at that thing shaking. He doesn't like the wind at all. So this one is facing the wind. What happens if we face this way? Look at that thing shake. Wow. Okay, let's go ahead and go that way. Look at that thing shake. This is the home man. Oh crap. Look at that. We want to put this in a test. Alright, that works out. Let's go ahead and put it this way. Look at that thing shake again. Not on that direction. I don't know. It's too risky. And now, the transmitter is right there. Shaking like. Look at that! Surviving. Only what? How many degrees right now? 20? 25? Yeah, it's barely surviving it.